Hi, folks. Gary Reed here with Addy Machinery, coming to you from behind the camera, and just wanted to do a quick video here. Excuse me, fighting a bit of a cold. Been up to a little bit of experimentation with the Metal X printer. I had a customer that was asking about mold parts. Could we actually print injection mold components? So what you got here, we've got a cavity and we've got a core. I got to be real careful with these things. I literally just took them out of the oven. I've already burnt my fingers 2 or 3 times here handling them. Made a big place in my desk too. But I got to get these off to a machine shop tonight so that these can be finished machine. I mean, right now you can see these are as sintered. This is how they came out of the Sinter one, and I hope that you can see hope that this is coming out pretty well. I am pretty darn happy with this. I wasn't sure what to expect, but all in all, for just the parts as is, I am pretty darn happy with these. Pretty darn happy. And in a follow-up video, I'll piece these things together. You folks can see what this all looks like once they have been finished machined. Stay tuned. All right, so here we are. Thanks to the magic of the internet, we're able to fast forward here. It's taken a few weeks to get this done. Special shout out to my partner over on the west side of Michigan there, Mr. Nick Westgate. He was able to finish machine these components that I 3D printed over here on the east side. He was able to finish those up on one of our Mazak mills in the Grand Rapids office. Thank you very much, Mr. Westgate. And overall, I'm pretty darn happy with the way these turned out. We weren't able to get down into all those little crevices, and that was partly because of some tooling issues that we were running into and a time crunch, to be quite honest with you. But I am still pretty darn happy with the way these turned out. Nick had to take somewhere between 15 and 18 thousandths of material off the top in order to get down in there and get everything to clean up. I'm happy with the surface finish, and we didn't break through any place. So this is proof right here. You can absolutely take these 3D printed parts from the Metal X system, and you can machine them. You do have enough meat there on the shell to do some finished machining. So again, anybody who might be thinking of printing some test parts on a Metal X system as sort of a try it before you buy it sort of thing, or if you're just looking for printing services, please get in touch with us here at Addy Machinery. And until next time, have a good day.